Hi students, this is Kumar, your maths teacher, grade 8. Next one is histogram. Grouped data can be represented by a histogram. Group data can be represented by a histogram. Histogram is a type of bar diagram where the class intervals are shown on the horizontal axis and the heights of the bars shown to the frequency of the class interval, but there is no gap between the bars as there is no gap between the class intervals. In a histogram, there is no gap between the bars as there is no gap between the class intervals. So drawing a histogram, so few method is there. So the first method, on the horizontal axis, mark of the class intervals on a uniform scale. On the horizontal axis, mark of the class intervals on a uniform scale. On the vertical axis, mark of the frequency also on the uniform scale. Construct rectangles with the class intervals as bases and the corresponding frequencies as heights. Construct rectangle with the class intervals as bases and the corresponding frequency as heights. Now let us see the few examples of histogram. So the first example, draw a histogram to represent the following data of the earning of workers. So here monthly earnings in rupees, number of workers. So monthly earnings, class interval is there, 80 to 120, number of workers is 4, 120 to 160, 7, 160 to 200, 13, 200 to 248, 240 to 280 is 5, 280 to 320 is 2. So draw the histogram. So here monthly earning, take monthly earning along x-axis. So the number of workers along y-axis. Monthly earning along x-axis, the number of workers along y-axis. So here 80 to 120. So here 80 to 120. In a histogram, there is no gap between class intervals. There is no gap between bars. So here starting is 80 to 120. So here when the scale along the x-axis does not start at the origin, we show it by a kink, that is a break line or zigzag curve near the origin. So here is 0 to 80. So 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, then 320. So here up to 320 is there. So 320. So here number of workers is a y-axis. So the number of workers 4, 7, 13, 8, 5, 2. So here take a scale. In vertical line 1 unit is equal to 2 workers. So 1 unit 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, then 18. So the first interval 80 to 120 is number of workers is 4. So here draw the bars. 80 to 120 is 4. So the next 120 to 160 is 7. There is no gap between. So 120 to 160, draw the bar. 1 is 7. So here 6, then 7. The next one is 160 to 200 is number of worker is 13. So here 13 is here. So 13. So draw the bars is 13. 160 to 200. So the next one is 200 to 240. So the number of workers is 8. So 200 to 240 is the number of workers 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So draw the bars. So the next one 240 to 280 is 5. So 240 to 280. So draw the bar 5. 2, 4, then 5. So draw the bar 5. So next 280 to 320 is number of workers is 2. So 280 to 320 is 2. So draw the bars. So this is histogram. The next example is represent the following distribution of ages of 35 teachers in a school by means of a histogram. Represent the following distribution of ages of 35 teachers in a school by means of a histogram. So age in years 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50. So the number of teachers is 25 to 30 is 12 teachers is there, 30 to 35 11 teachers, 35 to 40 8 teachers, 40 to 45 1 teachers, 45 to 50 3 teachers. So here take age in years along x-axis, the number of teachers along y-axis. So here age is 25 to 30. In a histogram there is no gap between class intervals and bars. So here 25 to 30. So 0 25 we can use zigzag curve. When the scale along the x-axis does not start at the origin, we show it by a kink, that is break or break line or zigzag curve near the origin. So 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. There is no gap between in class intervals. So here number of teachers 12, 11, 8, 1, 3. So take the scale in vertical line, 1 unit is equal to 2 teachers. 1 unit is equal to 2 teachers. So this is y-axis 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then 14. So now draw the histogram. So 25 to 30 is 12. So 25 to 30 is a 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So draw the bar 12. So the next one is 30 to 35 is 11. There is no gap between 30 to 35. So 11. So draw the bar is 11. So the next 35 to 40 is 8. 35 to 40 is 8. 8. Draw the bars. So the next 40 to 45 is 1. So 40 to 45 is a 0, 2, in between is 1. So 40 to 45 is 1. So the next one is a 45 to 50 is 3. So 45 to 50 is 3. So draw the bars 3, 1, 2, 3. Draw the bars 3. 45 to 50 is 3. So this is histogram. Next question is, observe the histogram and answer the questions given below. Observe the histogram and answer the questions given below. So here the histogram is given. So here in a horizontal line x-axis, so heights in centimeter. So is 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 155, then 160. Then a vertical line is y-axis. So the number of girls in class 8. So number of girls of class 8. So here a few questions is there. So the first question is, what information is being given by the histogram? What information is being given by the histogram? So the above histogram represents the heights of girls of class 8. The second question is, how many girls have a height of 145 centimeter and more? So here is centimeter, height of centimeter is 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 155, 160. The question is, how many girls have a height of 145 and more? So here 145 is 4 girls and more, 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So the total 7 girls. So the next question is, which group contains maximum girls? Which group contains maximum girls? So here the group 140 to 145. 140 to 145 contains maximum number of girls. So the group 40 to 145 contains maximum number of girls. The fourth question is, if we divide the girls into the following 3 categories, how many would there be in each? 150 centimeter and more, group A. 140 centimeter to less than 150 centimeter is group B. So less than 140 centimeter is group C. So here group A 150 centimeter and more. So now is a histogram 150 centimeter and more. So here 150, 155, 160, 150 centimeter and more. So 2 plus 1, 3 girls. So group A 150 centimeter and more, 3 girls. So the next 140 centimeter to less than 150 centimeter. 140 centimeter less than 140 centimeter less than 150. So in between 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, is 11 gales. So total 11 gales is 142 less than 150 centimeter. So the next third question is less than 140 centimeters group C. So the group C is less than 140 centimeter. So here 140. So this is 140 less than. So 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So group C is less than 140 centimeter is 6 gales.